Welcome to my channel once again. I sincerely want to appreciate you for constantly coming to this channel to learn the information that we bring to you concerning solar energy. I am Rexsam, the solar doctor, your celebrity engineer, the only one that gives you tips and very vital information when it comes to solar energy and renewable energy at large. Today I bring to you on a few minutes the incredible realities of solar energy that you need to listen, learn, and adapt into it. Solar energy, you always see people have termed it to be an alternative source of energy. People have seen it as an option to every other forms of energy. But today I bring to you this incredible reality that will make you to understand that solar energy is actually the future. It's no longer an alternative. It is no longer the things of option. So if you are not using it yet, you need to adapt into it immediately. Like I always say, the solar sun or the solar power is limitless. As you can see, the environment is so high that it needs to be contributed and powered by solar energy. Like we always see, solar can be generated and the energy can power the entire planet within a year without a cost effective and without damage or harmful effect to the environment. Today I want to show you how important it is. Like solar energy has the ability to withstand every form of load in your house, for business, career, and everything you feel like I want to power it with. Will permit me to also tell you that it is no longer alternative, like I said, that the use of fossil fuel is a gone alternative already. It is no longer things to think of what, unlike fossil fuel that can cause harm and also produce pollutions that affect the environment. Solar energy is so renewable and it doesn't go out of stock. Are you still waiting to be part of this future that has been given to you freely? Continue watching as I bring you more details of it. Let's go there. Like I said, solar energy is more affordable than ever. For the past 10 decades, solar energy has been considered to be costly high, but today I present to you that it is no longer as costly as you think. Solar energy is so affordable because there has drastically dropped the price of solar panel over 80% of what it used to be. Currently, you can see that government has provided some facilities and equally introduced tax reduced facilities that makes the importations of these materials to come down a bit. In the same way, they have equally reduced what will make the cost of installation to go high, as everybody is coming into the use of solar energy and many technicians are coming up also to practice in this field. Like I always said, keep watching as I bring you more details, and the most important thing, the realities, is what I keep exposing you to. If you are getting details in this video and you are gaining value as well, kindly click on the subscription button, subscribe, like, comment, ask your questions, because we are always available to provide you with every information that you ever need part time in terms of solar installation. Like I said, the cost of installation has been reduced. Of course, my team is equally available to give you assistance when it comes to the installation and costing as well. And that is why I have a particular team and other engineers that has come up with their ideas to ensure that the reduced cost of installation is maintained per time. See you in my next video. Are you ready to hear the next one that will strike your mind? Yes, solar energy is so powerful, and the incredible realities is something you cannot stop studying, and this video is what gives you the informations that you need per time. Like I said, solar energy brings what we call energy independency and savings. How do I mean? When you have your solar energy, you don't depend on anything. You are reliable on your own, depending on no external cost, no external source of energy. Like I said, it helps the homeowners to drastically reduce the electricity bill and equally encourage business owners, including the house owners, to actually make use of power at night by introducing battery technology that helps them to store the solar energy per time. Are you ready to hear the next thing that really makes solar energy very interesting? Keep watching as I bring it to you. Can you imagine what I said when we talk about the incredible realities? You have to equally understand the environmental benefits. It's not left behind. It actually contributes to environmental benefit. When we look at the solar energy, when it is generated, it helps us to cut off reliance on coal and gas, which drastically cuts off the carbon emissions that is very harmful to the body and to the environment. Imagine when you have a typical solar panel system that has the ability to exhibit a ton of carbon dioxide. Of course, you will see that the environment will be peaceful and it will not be harmful to anybody. Everybody have to turn into solar energy. As you can see, all we have to do is to ensure that we have solar system. By adapting to this, and we can enjoy the environmental benefits, like we know that the greenhouse energy is encouraged for everyone. See you in the next outline. It will be catchy and very informative, like I promised. Let's go. Like I said, the incredible realities cannot be overemphasized, but I must bring this to your notice that solar energy has helped us in job creation and the growth of the future. Just like you can see that the job we got from solar energy is so massive. Like you see in solar industry, it has created a lot of jobs, millions of jobs worldwide. Just imagine the technology of China, America, US, Canada, UK, Indians, including our own country, Nigeria. It has engaged a lot of youth in solar installations. Should I talk more of it? Of course I need to do that, because a lot of young youths are now making money by being involved in the installations of solar energy. As you can see, overview that people are now making profit. People are engaged, thinking on how to solve the instability power solution and also bringing solution to the power problem that we have in this country. Can we just talk more of that? Of course, you should equally see that the transparent panels we have is actually shaping the world and making it so unique. Just like you can see in our solar roofing sheets, everyone can identify that and see that it has actually done a tremendous job, that everyone needs to adapt to this. Are you still watching or thinking on how you'll be part of this? Kindly join by clicking our video, make your inquiries, and we will direct you on how you get connected to every information you need to know about solar energy. See you in my next video. Let's go. Food for thought. Have I highlighted and given you detailed information on the incredible realities of solar energy? You can totally agree with me that solar energy is no longer an option or alternative. It is the future for both homes, businesses, including the entire city, to take a smart move by making a choice that will be sustainable and profitable to everyone. Would you like to do this? Kindly like, comment, share, and click on the notification button, as I will always be available to give you directives and information that you need per time. By sharing this to your niche, I will like to have you in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you.